This video is going to be on automation sweeps and how to create it using an EQ. So this is just basically some audio, so it's basically the intro music to all my videos. So I'm just going to play it. So it's basically just the intro to all my videos, and I'm going to route it to my mixer. And I'm going to go to my mixer window, so it's routed to insert one. I'm going to open up the Fruity Parametric EQ, and here, if I play it, you'll see it come through and all the frequencies that it takes up. So to create an automation sweep, first I'm gonna do like a low pass filter, let's say, on this band 7, and then whenever you do a low pass or a high pass filter, you have to make sure you create a resonance point so that you're bringing back all these lost frequencies from the curve here. So I'm just gonna bring up this part here to bring back those frequencies, tighten up that band a little bit so that it will look like something like that. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is, see these buttons here, it says frequencies and bandwidth. Bandwidth is basically just a cue, how big and small you want your basically your drop to be, or your band size to be. So the lower you go, the higher it goes. Lower it goes, the higher it goes. You pull the knob, the lower it goes. So where it says frequency is basically the frequency that you want it to go at. So because you want to make automation sweep, you'll go to where the frequency knob is, you right click, and here where it says create automation clip, you'll click it, and then it will come up in your playlist. And basically here you'll start from this point, and you basically can move this up or down pending. So if I was just to make it fade like this and bring back up my parametric EQ and play it, that was kind of nice. So I want to bring it back up, so I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to do it again, but this time I'm going to make it sweep, so it takes out all the higher frequencies and sweep back up. So basically I'm going to copy this value here and make it the last point, paste. And then it will drop. So that's on creating an automation sweep. You can do this also with a high pass filter. So basically you'll just change the type of band type that you want. So you can make this a band pass filter, a low pass filter, and a high pass filter. You can also do high pass filter, which is that. You can make it a notch, low shelf, high shelf, peaking, all these different options that you have, and you can just basically just do different automation sweeps. But that's just an example of how to do an automation sweep with EQ. So yeah, hope this helped. Like and subscribe for more. It's easy, just hit those buttons underneath this video. Follow me on my social media pages, all links are in the description below.
Ty the Engineer.